Question 1 asks us to graph the equation, and then it's something from the linear family. So we actually have two ways that we could do this. The first way, the way that we learned in class, is to identify the y-intercept and the slope, and then use those to figure it out on the graph. So I could do the y-intercept would be -3, and the slope is -1/3. So on the graph, I would go down to -3, and that's my y-intercept on the y-axis. And then my slope is -1/3, so I can go down 1 and right 3, or I can go up 1 and left 3. Either way, that'll give you a point on the line, and then you just connect the dots. Now the other way that you could do this is you could use your table feature on the calculator. So that's what I have over here on the left. So what I typed into my calculator, I did y equals, and then I just typed in -1 divided by 3. I did not put it in as a fraction, x minus 3, and then it gives you these points. Now what you'll notice is that some of these points that I have on here are decimals. So you have some points that are kind of nice, and you have some points that aren't. This right here is the y-intercept, and then it actually got cut off, but 3 and then -4 would have been your next point here. That's one of the points we plotted using just the slope. And then also -3, -2 is the other point that we plotted. So you can use just the whole numbers on the table for the calculator, or you can do it the way we did it in class, which I actually think is easier. But if you just want to double check your work, you can always look at the table on the calculator.